The first thing that I do is take the Shea Moisturized Curl and Style Milk and rub that through my hair. I have low porosity hair, so really rubbing it through my hair will get it through my strands. And then I take the Aunt Jackie Seal It Up butter to seal in all of the moisture, and then twister and twist my hair. Don't sleep on my hair. My hair is growing. Alright, so I finished all of my twists. Let me show you guys. Alright, I'm actually really excited. Like, my hair feels so moisturized. I'm gonna put my head tie on and go to sleep. The granny about to come out now. Y'all thought I looked like a granny before? Watching I put this head tie on. Cute though, I'm not gonna lie. About to go to sleep now. Good morning, guys. Time to loose out my hair. Okay. So gonna take this off. I don't know how it's gonna be looking underneath here, but oh my god. What the hell? Ooh, I like it though. So we're gonna be using the extra olive virgin oil. Yeah, so put it a little bit in our hands. Oh, that's a lot of it. Ugh. Put that back in. And rub it. Put it on the hair. Now let's start loosening up. Ooh, look at that. Look at that, guys. That's cute. That's cute. Oh my gosh. Yeah, that's better. Usually this part is always like fuzzy, but it's actually defined. So those products, as you can see, really did something to my hair, man. It really did something. Like, look at this. Yes. Look at that. Look at that. Hey. Now, I really never used to like doing, what's it called? Twistouts. But now, I don't know. I think we're gonna keep doing it. I used to do 3-strand twist outs, but this right here is cute. I don't even have to worry about looking at the back. Like, my hair is really shrunken though, I ain't gonna lie to you. for, well, not always, I mostly go for a side part, but today I think I'm just gonna leave it because I want to conserve the curls, and then maybe tomorrow I'll do a side part or leave it in a puff. I'm not sure, but yeah, that's how it's looking for now. I'm not gonna do my edges because I'm trying to give my edges a break. This is how my hair looking. I can't. Let me see. Girl, you gotta pick that a little more. We gonna leave it like it's first day hair, so we're not gonna really touch it too much. Like if you want it to last, don't touch it too much. Now we're just gonna use some, damn, that forehead's showing today. We're just gonna use some of the jewels, alright? But I just want to give y'all a little oh. Alright, I got my little, and we're just gonna put it in our hair. Comment down below which hairstyle looked more curlier, my braid out or my twist out. In my honest opinion, I'm gonna go with the twist out for the simple fact that it looks more curlier. Like, what? So yeah, I do like both. The braid out gave me a more stretched hairstyle, and as for the twist, it gave me more definition. So yeah, that's two right there. Hey, that looking cute. Put some in the back, cause you know you can't just only put it in the front. I think this was a success. I think this was a success. What do you guys think? Comment down below. Let me give a little 360. So if you guys like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.